So Matt, tell me, are you afraid of paying a mortgage?
I mean, I'm not afraid to pay a mortgage. But if you're renting right now, you're most likely paying a mortgage, just not your own.
My name's Nieves. I'm a real estate agent with Coldwell Banker.
And I'm Matt Moreno. I'm a mortgage broker with Great Rate Home Loans.
And today we're going to talk about rent versus buy. So, if you're renting short term, absolutely nothing wrong with it at all. But if you're seriously considering financial investments to help you down the road, buying is a really, really good investment to make. And one of the main questions I typically get asked is, what would a down payment look like? What would I need to save for that down payment?
It's definitely one of the most asked questions I get all the time. With down payments, it's as little as 3% down is usually industry standard, especially if you're a first-time home buyer. Now, if you're a veteran, you obviously get to utilize your VA loan benefits and put zero money down if you choose to. And there's even government programs out here for everyone here in California. We have all these, options available to where they're going to gift you that money, and basically you virtually come up with no money for your down payment. So there's a lot of stuff out there, but as we were talking kind of earlier, it really shouldn't be more about the down payment.
Right.
Obviously, when you buy a home, you're gonna have to come up with some money, but I like to work backwards. Let's find a payment you're gonna feel comfortable with.
And just to say that, you're living, when you buy a home, that you're gonna be living by yourself and you have to take that payment all on your own, that's not the case by any means. Just because you have a roommate now doesn't mean you can't have a roommate when you have a home, and they can be assisting you with that payment, and you can still be paying something similar, if not less than what you were paying when you were renting.
Absolutely. No, I mean, you hit the nail on the head. It's when you have roommates, you guys are all collectively paying someone else's mortgage. When you buy your own home, it doesn't mean you're out on an island by yourself now.
Yep.
You can have your friends still live with you, even your loved ones, and have them help pay and supplement that mortgage for you. So now you're left over with what you're virtually paying in rent right now. But did we mention you're also getting equity?
Right.
Your home's appreciating over time. You're paying a loan down.
Yep.
And then you're also gonna benefit from the tax write-offs.
Yep.
You're gonna write off that interest. So there's so many benefits of home buying that kind of get looked over and overshadowed by the necessity of having to come up with a down payment,
right,
of having this high mortgage payment that's double or triple of what your rent is right now. So we just want to get the conversation started.
And so to do that, I'd recommend starting off with Matt, discussing your financials and being able to set yourself a goal, whether it be 1, 2, or 5 years down the road, but at least having that initial conversation, you'll have a true understanding of what you'll need to save and what you can afford when that time comes around.
Exactly. Let's create the foundation right now. Let's get you set up so that way, if it's not now, we have a game plan of when it's going to be that you're ready to buy that makes financial sense. Just because you qualify now or qualify in 6 months doesn't mean you should be buying now or in 6 months.
Right.
It might make more sense for you to wait a year, build up a small little stockpile of reserve, because when you buy a house, there's going to be repairs, there's going to be fixes, stuff that comes up that you don't expect. So right now, instead of calling your landlord when when a light goes out or the water breaks, that's not going to be on you, and you want to make sure you have the money put aside to financially be ready for that. So we just want to help you out, at least get everything set up so that way you do feel comfortable and you're not scrambling and have time frames that we have to get something done by. And it just relieves the stress for you and makes the buying process just so much easier.
Absolutely. It's absolutely right. So again, I'm going to provide all of our contact information at the end. Please feel free to reach out to Matt, and we really, really appreciate all of your time.
Thank you for listening. Look out for our other videos. You guys have a great day.